Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nalini Bansal and today we will discuss a case of iron pill induced gastritis. Now as you could see here, this is a bit from a gastric biopsy. So this is the entire bit that is being seen here. And if you look at the high part, we could make out that there is denudation of the mucosal epithelium. So in this area where we could see this some irregularity on the surface, we could see that the mucosal epithelium is denuded, and this is likely a biopsy from the gastric body because we could see the closely packed glands. Now, going on to the high part, we could make out that yes, these are the gastric glands which we were seeing. Then on the surface, we could see these areas where there is mucosal denudation, that is the mucosal epithelium is removed. And then we could also make out that there are deposits of these golden brown pigmented material on the surface, which is present throughout the mucosal epithelium. Now, when this kinds of deposits are being present on the gastric epithelium, we really want to be sure whether these deposits are pathological or they are not pathological, and they are secondary to a forceps that are being used for the gastric for taking out the gastric biopsies. So, what you need to know is that when you see these deposits, you also had to look at the lamina propria. Like as we could see here, we could see an infiltrate of polymorphs and eosinophils in the area where we could see the mucosal erosion and the deposits are there. Now, for this case, the deposits are also present within the lamina propria, so it is relatively easy to identify these deposits. And then when you see this kind of inflammatory reaction secondary to a deposit, you know that the thing that you are dealing with is actually pathological. Now, another thing that you could do is you can get for your pulse stain, and then on pulse stains, these golden brown deposits are going to be beautifully pulse positive. So this is the deposits that we were seeing here. And then you could also make out that many of these deposits are beautifully pulse positive. Now, the kind of deposits of iron that we see on a gastric biopsy, they could be present on the surface, and these are more coarse deposits as we could see here. And these kind of deposits are common when we take in oral ferrous sulfate tablets. So if you're taking oral tablets, these tablets at times can cause gastric erosion and can lead to deposits of iron on the surface. But if sometimes the patient is getting repeated blood transfusion, like a patient of thalassemia, then in those cases you could also see deposits of iron within the gastric glands. So in cases of multiple blood transfusion, generally the deposits are seen within the gastric glands, and they are called as, some people have called them as a type C kind of a pattern of gastric iron deposits, which is also called gastric cirrhosis. So in those cases, it is secondary iron overload, secondary to blood transfusion. But in cases of oral iron pill intake, generally the deposits are seen on the surface, accompanied by areas of erosion and accompanied by inflammatory infiltrate. So that was a case of iron pill gastritis. Thank you so much.